Can you really launch an online store in just one day? Yes, absolutely. You just need the right plan, the right tools, and the right process. In this video, I will show you how to set up your own e-commerce store using WordPress and Elementor fast. We'll talk about how to figure out your niche and products, how to brand your store so it doesn't look like a generic template, and how Elementor's WooCommerce bundles make this 10 times easier. So step number 1, before we get into the whole website design part, let's focus on your product and the niche you are choosing for your store. So you'll basically need a niche, so you're not just selling random products. You will need around 3 to 5 products to start. You don't need 50, 100 products from day one, and a clear customer in mind. Who are you selling to and why would they buy from you? Once you've got that figured out, it is time for the fun part, building your store. And now onto step number 2 is to install WordPress and Elementor. If you already have WordPress installed or you're using a WordPress website, that is great. The next step is using Elementor and their WooCommerce bundles to create the best e-commerce store for your clients. Elementor is a drag and drop editor that makes it insanely easy to design your store without touching code. And here's where we make things really simple. Elementor has some WooCommerce bundles that come with everything you need for your shop. I truly believe they are essential in every e-commerce store that is built with WordPress, and here's why. Elementor gives you 2 bundle options. Both include the Shoptimizer premium theme that has a $99 value on its own, plus the e-commerce tools that you need. So you have Shop Essential, $7.99 a month, billed annually, and it is best if you're just getting started and need a clean, fast shop. It includes 57 pro widgets, theme builder, form builder, pop-up builder, and more. And it is perfect if you want a professional e-commerce store but just don't want to use every widget yet. Now, Shop Advanced is $9.99 per month, billed annually, and it is best to use this if you want to scale your shop and unlock all the power that Elementor Pro has to offer. It includes 86 pro widgets, and this is the one that I recommend if you want more flexibility in your website design for your e-commerce store. But both give you the Shoptimizer theme that is built for speed, clean design, and higher conversions, and both come with everything that you need to launch your store today. So that being said, how do we take these plans and make the Shoptimizer theme our own for our own e-commerce store using Elementor? Once you've chosen your bundle, you'll install the Shoptimizer theme, and here's how to quickly brand it. You can open the homepage in Elementor and it will come with a demo version. You can just import the Shoptimizer demo version and then open the homepage and design it to make it your own. Update colors, fonts to match your brand style. Add more or replace existing images. Add your logo. Replace the demo products with your real products, real product photos by adding them in WooCommerce. Edit the homepage hero section with your own headline and call to action. In less than an hour, you can go from a blank WordPress page or just the demo Shoptimizer version to a beautiful branded store that is your own. A few things that I really enjoy about the Shoptimizer theme is that it gives you variations, swatches, so much information on the product page that you can offer customers, reviews, descriptions, and different tabs for the product. So info, sizing, returns, shipping, and so much more. All of that can be visible on your product page and you can edit that really easily. The next step is to add the essentials for your e-commerce store. So you will need an about page, policy page, contact page, and of course about the product pages and collection pages, you want strong keywords that will help people find you in Google search. So we really need to focus on SEO as well for your e-commerce store. Now, of course, maybe you're asking, okay, but why am I not just buying the Shoptimizer theme and using that? Well, it is because with Elementor Pro and the Shoptimizer theme, so both of those combined, you can add more and more widgets on your pages. No matter what page it is, you can find premium widgets from Elementor Pro that you can add to your store. Same goes for any page on your website. So if you want to make your homepage really cool, or if you want to add a special form on your contact page, you can do all of that with the Pro widgets that you have from Elementor. So by bringing both of these together and the widgets and the features that this WooCommerce bundle gives you, you have the entire package literally to start your e-commerce store in less than 24 hours. Now, once your website is live, obviously you cannot just wait for customers to come in. So you can use SEO, you can use really good product photography and videography on your social media as well to attract customers, create stunning Facebook and Instagram ads, and build an email list from day one. Offer a discount code for anybody that joins so they can stay subscribed and receive your emails every single week. I have a lot more tips tips for you to grow your e-commerce store with social media or email marketing. So if you want to learn more, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now, another quick tip that I have for you is to use Elementor hosting whenever you're using the Elementor Pro Builder or the Shoptimizer theme, because with Elementor hosting, you have the greatest speed and integration. If you have a WordPress website anywhere else, not Elementor, and you also want to get hosting, you might want to know that you get a free migration of your website from wherever it is. You can migrate it for free to Elementor hosting and use this bundle next to create your shop. For other plans that might interest you, I will leave the links in the description, so make sure to check those out. So can you launch an online store in one day? Absolutely. But you have to keep in mind what your niche is, what your products are, and most importantly, who your client is. Because your product may be mugs, but your ideal client really makes the difference between a puppy mug or a motivational quote mug. So it is all about who your customer is and how you want to present your brand to them so you can make more sales, but also create a community around your brand and truly sell more than just a product, sell an experience and sell something that you are proud of. So if you're ready to launch, make sure to check out the Elementor WooCommerce bundles below and be sure to use the Shoptimizer theme for your e-commerce store on WordPress. If you need any more tips on launching your e-commerce store using WordPress, make sure to leave me your questions in the comments below. I will be happy to answer them, and make sure to subscribe for more e-commerce related videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!